It's your boy DaVinci, framed by DaVinci. We downtown Chelsea at night. You feel me? This is a whole nother element. I got the Lost Boys behind the scenes on the camera, capturing every moment. Avante, Big Kev in the building. We doing this. If we could just pan over to Brooke getting saran wrapped. You feel me? We taking this fashion thing to the next level, man. Household products. You might see next week we might be doing spatulas and cake batter, you feel me? But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so we never miss an episode. Brooke, get in here real quick so you can give them where they can follow one of your pages at. Let them know where they can follow you on social.
Brooke Raquel Models.
Put all her information in the description. Let's shoot.
Framed by DaVinci, step in the scene, lights go flash, now they all see me. Drip on the lens, yeah, the frame HD, turn it 150 to a Voltaic dream. Framed by DaVinci, brands on the line, models on set, and they ready to shine. From the BTS to the final design, if it's in the frame, then you know it's mine.
It's giving like Wednesday Addams meets fashion, you feel me? Yeah, that's my mood board, man.
Yeah, it looks like Wednesday. I like it.
You feel me? Maybe I'll put this template in the description so y'all can steal like y'all normally do. I want you to use this pole.
Are you able to hold my phone too while recording or no? No, you're doing it. I'll make sure.
Right by the crime scene stencil.
I thought Nicole was gonna shoot at the same time.
The flash is glaring off her plastic wrap. So Kev, I might have you have to light her for me.
Okay.
Yeah, because I don't like that the flash is bouncing off the.
Not giving.
I feel like her up.
Yeah, let's light her up. We could put Frank on a damn stand. Yeah, I'm gonna need your help, Kev. I'm gonna need you to light her up for me. I ain't think about the reflection on the plastic wrap.
It shouldn't even be like that. I don't know why it's like so much of what's.
Yeah.
All right, you want boom or you want boom?
Let me see.
Probably up because you don't want it to reflect.
Can we do it more like this way? I don't really like it.
Let's do it. Let's see. Let me see here. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm just getting a little bit of
The glare from the light.
yeah.
You move her to the right, the tree's gonna block it for you.
Or scoot a little closer this way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That way?
Yeah.
All right, I got you. You want that moody light.
Yeah, let me just adjust. Let's see.
Frank. Oh, hey, Frank.
I wanted to bring my damn flash too, but I couldn't get it in my damn suitcase.
Old.
The hell out the way. See, we doing a shoot here. Hold on, I'm sorry, you got. Yeah. Let's see.
Blink, blink,
Slay.
blink.
This sky is really in chalk underneath me. All right, let me get some more of
Chalk
these.
outline?
Yeah, let me. Actually, let me.
Oh, I ain't ready to go close forward. Let me see if I take this off. Oh, you want that? I like that. Yeah, I like
Let me see.
that. Let me show you.
Hold on, but let me. You know we can't whitewash Brooke already light. Yeah, we can't. We don't want to wash her out.
Around the corner.
Hold that. Let me get a little lower. I like that. Let me get some close-ups though. Give me that again.
I got you.
Yeah. Hold that, fire. Got the dope cab in the back. Hold that. Perfect, hold that. Let me get a low. That's fire. I like that, hold that. Let me get up high.
Right.
Let me see some of these.
Oh, very slay.
Go off, love it. Yeah, go off.
Oh, I love these. I wish my hand wasn't in the way. That's
I'm ready to do it.
I like that. Oh, these are fun. I love these.
Let's get a couple more and then let's switch the location. What you want to do? Let me get a couple more of these real quick. So we ain't the one you was doing with your hand that you wanted to move. You want the taxi?
Taxi gone.
I got the ass of the taxi. Let me get that again.
Oh, here's another one.
Alright, I'm making a left. You want to go left. So one way. There's two of them. You want to wait for them?
Yeah.
We can wait for them.
All right, let's do it.
Two of them.
He moving fast too, so let me get in position.
Get in position. Alright, oh, you quick. You're speeding up. And right now. Slowing down. You slow down. Yeah. The other one's coming. The other one's coming. Get him right. Get him right. Fast transfer. Flop, 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 flop.
Hold that, that's fire.
Yeah.
Got it.
What's going on, sir?
All right, what you was thinking?
Oh, I don't know. I think there was like some graffiti or something.
Let's do this, Kev. While the restaurant shut down, let's use their aesthetics. Yeah, yeah. I like the door anyway. Watch that mouse that just ran across the top though.
Oh, shit.
Are you lying?
No, I'm dead serious. I just saw a mouse run. You saw it too, right? Or I'm tripping? I got 20/20. You got LASIK, so we know Brooke ain't see it.
That was a big drop for that mouse. I hope it's okay. Didn't break a leg.
Not the mouse broke a leg. I like probably having you right at the top of the step. Okay. All right, Kev, give me some light.
Go and on, let me turn it up. Oh. Let me hear it from the side so you can get the shadow as much.
Yeah, that's fire. Oh, nah, come back a little bit my way. Give me a little more on her, yeah. Yeah, I'm coming in. Perfect. Hold that. Perfect. Frank, can you see us? Oh, he missing the shot? All right, let me see how. Fire. Coming in close, hold that. Fire. Oh yeah, we needed this light, Kev. Sit.
Let me get Frank with the side profile.
Am I gonna sit?
Oh, cause you got the.
No, because I wanna just.
Well, just sit on the side, like on side angle.
I'm trying to think of be more creative.
Let's see that. Fire. Oh, that's dope. Hold that. Coming in close. Let me shoot down. Fire. Hold that. Fire. Let me get back a little bit. You can stay there. I just want to get a little bit more of the space. Yep. Nah, I like these. Fire.
I broke my damn legs. It's like.
Grab Frank.
Let me change my angle then.
Which one wanna go down the
So,
parking.
so I want to have you walking my way, Brooke. Kev gonna like you, yeah. Perfect.
Looking at the camera, I gotta do it.
One more time.
Far. I'll go yet.
What is this for?
That's a fashion brand she wearing. So we, instead of putting a skirt on, we wrapped her in saran wrap.
Wow.
Huh?
For which brand?
It's called Mieux.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
No Miu Tempeh. No, Miu. You.
No, it's like M-I-E-U-X.
Ah.
All right, ready? All right, go. Perfect. One more. Ready? All right, go. One more time. All right, go. I'm here for it. All right, give me that same thing, but let me get some close-ups. Light me, light her up, and as she walk, I'ma just be a little closer.
Are we walking?
Yeah.
Walking. Oh, let's walk this out.
Ready?
Okay, man. Let's start recording.
3, 2, 1, go. Perfect. Oh yeah, I like these. One more time.
Hold on, guys.
Hold on, Brooke. Let me see what these cars is doing.
Oh, no, they're parking.
All right, you good.
Can we do something in the back?
Oh, let's do it. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna just follow you. Ready?
Are they coming over?
Yeah.
Okay, Meta, stop recording.
Ready? All right, go.
Okay, Meta, take a photo.
Perfect.
Work it.
One more.
Talk to them.
Hey man, this how you gotta do it. You just gotta get out there and start shooting, man. It's Brooke. It's gonna look fire.
Tell them.
All right, ready? One more.
All right, okay, Meta, start recording.
Let me get it from the side though, Brooke, so I can get your walk. So you just behind her?
I got you.
Yeah. All right, ready, Brooke, go. All right, like that. It put a little motion blur in.
No, I love. Giving like grungy.
Yeah, this is fire. I'm gonna text the lady.
Oh, she gonna love it.
I'm gonna be like, yo, Brooke wanna keep this. Like,
No, literally, tell her right now, because while we're waiting, when Nicole shoots, maybe she...
DaVinci frame by DaVinci in just a mere 30 minutes.
What?
Less than 30 minutes. We just knocked it out. Shout out to Mieux Swim for blessing us with this bodysuit. I'm gonna give y'all the mood board up in the description so y'all can see how Brooke killed the mood board, got the look that I was looking for. She came with the saran wrap because I couldn't find her. I was gonna put her in the trash bag. So it was best to use the saran wrap. So with the flash though, I didn't think about the reflection of the saran wrap. So I had Kev assist me with some constant light. I'll put in the description whatever light he was. I'm gonna have to get one. It was amazing. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Brooke, where can they follow you?
You can follow me at Brooke Raquel Models. That's it.
That's it. And you seen Brooke on my channel, so y'all should already be following. We on to the next one.
Yeah.
New York Fashion Week.